If you've been looking for a performance Tritoon, then here's the one you need. Brian with Nichols Marine down here in Norman. We got a 2019 SunCatcher Amara 27-foot performance Tritoon powered by a Yamaha XTO 425. It's got 155 original hours on it, all the bells and whistles, interior and exterior lights, underwater lighting, cladded sport tower, upgraded kicker audio. This thing is sweet. Powder coated tunes, fiberglass sides. Let's go check her out. We've already been completely through it and serviced it. Lake ready, ready to go. In-floor ski locker. Sport boat windshield. Dual digital helm with Yamaha display and GPS. Big aft deck. Tons of space back here. 99,000 bucks on a trailer here at Nichols Marine, 1700 Ambient Boulevard, or check out hundreds of other boats we have at nicholsmarine.com.